children in school.
Riwruok Police Reforms Working Group Kenya okwedo paro mane ochiw koda put mar thicho commissioners oko mar apisi kagelero ni lipodno bende ne oko yango chandruok mag ketho ratich oganda, monj tiyo kod teko e yo ma en ataro mar chik, sand kaachiel kod nek mane omulo obila. Jokanyo mag riwruogno bende ne oyango ni giriwo lwedo paro mane ochiw koda put mar chiwo okumba mar thieth mariwo nyaka tuoche mag paro ne obila duto ka giwacho ni obila mani kod tuo mag paro ok onego mi magina.
However, we disagree that the commissioners should be removed as the task force recommended via a negotiated exit. Instead, we strongly recommend that Article 251 of the Constitution on removing members of Chapter 15 commissioners and commissions and independent officers is triggered to allow the commissioners to explain to Kenyans why they violated their oath of office and mandate in a tribunal.
It has failed to appreciate and to engage on the problem of gross human rights violations, and it has not highlighted compliance with human rights standards, both international and national, as being essentially the problem that is facing the center of policing. There is no analysis of the impact of rogue policing on the life of Kenyans.
The Police Reform Working Group therefore agrees that the police officers require comprehensive health insurance that caters for mental health issues comprehensively. Moreover, a better monitoring mechanism is welcome and is needed to flag those undergoing mental episodes and give them the care they need. Such officers should not be given duties that require them to carry firearms as a mitigation measure.